morning, guys. We are off to pick up our raw milk from the farm. Isaiah is doing his homeschooling on his app today, so we can still get that done. So yeah, come along with us. We're heading up to the farm. So yeah, this is an hour drive to go and pick up the milk. So what we do is we've got a group of local girls who all get some. So every Thursday one of us goes up and brings back milk for everyone. So it's about a 6-week rotation. It works out perfectly, so we're not tracking up there every single week for our milk, so it's definitely a blessing. And yeah, this is our turns. This is our first time to the farm, and I thought I'd bring you guys along with us because we've heard some great things about it. The lady who owns the farm and supplies the milk takes the kids to see all the cows and stuff like that and just look around the farm. So these guys are going to go absolutely nuts over that. 𝐂𝐸 is a cow addict, as you guys know from our camping vlogs. So we are super excited. It is a nice rainy old day. We are doing a cheeky little Macca's run. The boys wanted a hash brown because they've had no breakfast and I don't want them to get car sick on the way up, so that's what we're gonna do. But yes, come with us.
Through the door, I'm hit by the same old tide, blinded by the lights, and I'm going through changes, but it's easier with you. I'm going through changes, and so are you. I live for the moments when you're around me.
You gonna pet him again? Oh, say meh. You gonna feed him? Come put your hand out. I'll help you. I'll help you. Put your hand out there. Sit. Oh, very good. Look, 𝐂𝐸.
Driving down the road that I grew up on once again. It's when I pass your door, the memories come back again. Pictures of us flooding back just like a wave. Makes me wonder what happened, what you're up to today. Remember when we stole your mother's car, we drove for days. Teenagers with too many feelings and rage. We were higher than the ceiling,
saying hello, Kaysen. Chicken?
People could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause I was being next to you. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause all I needed was my friend. Way back when, way back when, way back when. Remember when my father taught us how to play guitar?
You go up there.
And we started up a band in my garage.
Do a big jump.
We thought our dream would take us so far, but after a week or so it all
Ready?
just fell apart. But we were higher than the ceiling, middle fingers to the sky.
Watch out, Kaysen.
Remember thinking if I only could stop the time right now. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause I was being next to you. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give
Oh, careful,
a
babe.
damn,
Go
'cause
slowly.
all I needed was my friend. Way back when, way back when we were higher than the ceiling, middle fingers to the sky. Way back when, way back when.
I'm scared she's gonna hold me.
No, she wouldn't. Having fun?
Yeah.
Farm life, huh?
Alpaca. Watch
There
out
is
for
an alpaca.
alpaca.
I'm seeing him. That was so much fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, duty. Holding on tight.
Yeah.
Good.
This is actually quite fun.
Good, isn't it?
Oh, we just went through a puddle.
Yeah, there's more. You just concentrate on holding on. Okay, so we're home now and I'm just getting the cream off the top of the milk. As you guys can see, it's super creamy and delicious. And I like to use the cream to make butter, so that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm just using this little thing and I'm just siphoning it into there because it's obviously really hard to get out of these bottles. I could pour it into a glass jar and let it sit, but I don't have a big enough one because I've already still got milk in there from last week. So yeah, this is what I'm doing, but I love the fact that I can make my own butter with this cream. So delicious. So we had a really awesome time out there this morning. Beautiful Mel opened up her property to us and we stayed and we watched them milk their cows. We fed their animals with them. They hung out with their kids and it was just such a beautiful morning. So very wholesome. Filled up my cup. Boys are over there playing now. We've just had such a wonderful morning. So super grateful for this lifestyle that we live and finding beautiful like-minded people. It's great. Yeah, so we'll check back in with you guys soon. I'll show you the milk in the esky. I'll show you how we transport it and get it home, keep it nice and cool. And then literally everyone just comes to our house and picks it up. All the girls that we picked up for, and happy days. We can enjoy our milk. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's little vlog, coming to the farm with us and experiencing our little milk pickup. So we got freezer blocks down the bottom, and that keeps it all nice and cold. Close it up. Close it up. Close it, bud. Okay, so I have put the raw cow's milk cream that I've been collecting into the Thermomix. I'll show you guys, hang on. So it's in there. I don't have too much at the moment, but we're working with what we've got. And I'm going to blitz it. And we're going to make some whipped cream for our scones. So let's do this. So I'm just putting it on for 3 minutes at speed 4 in the Thermomix, and it's going to blitz it up and make us some beautiful whipped cream. Ooh, thank you. You see? Is it getting thicker? What do you think, sous chef? What do you reckon? It's good? Yeah, just let it do its thing. We've got a minute left, and we can check it. Goodness. Looking good. Okay, now we'll leave it for a sec, okay? Okay, are you ready? Try and do it backwards in the camera. Nice. So that is from fresh cow's milk, the cream that I collected on the top. You want to see? Yeah. Look, dip your finger in there. Have a taste. Have a taste. Have a taste.
Yummy.
Mmm. Good?
Yummy.
Good. Alright, so let's scoop it up. Make us scones. Someone's hungry. Nice. So my plan is to collect more of the cow's milk, and I didn't get enough litres this week. The cow wasn't producing enough, so there wasn't enough for me to get my usual 6 litres that I usually get. So yeah, we have just the cream from the 2 litres, which was enough. Like, we've got yummy whipped cream now, and I can even put this on the top of coffee. It's freaking amazing on top of coffee. So yeah, we are happy. But yeah, the plan is to get enough milk to get the cream to then make some butter. I really want to tick that off my list of things that I can make. So, oh, that was a waste. Damn it. Okay, we didn't lose too much, but don't go doing things like that when you don't have enough anyway. So as I was saying, the next step to making butter is you get to the whipped cream stage and then you just keep going. So butter's really easy to make. Oh yeah, whipped cream. Yum. Yum, this looks so good. I'm so excited. It's as good as I thought. Bite. So thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next vlog. I'm gonna go and enjoy these. Bye guys.
I won't say goodbye yet. Can I change your mind?